Whether you end up in court one day or you're just interested in studying laws, knowing where to start in legal research is important. There are 4 key levels to law, each one more authoritative than the next. Scaling this legal research ladder can help you find the answer to almost any law-based question you might have. To start are the most local, ordinances. They overview very specific and local regulations that are created by a city council. These can be noise ordinances like the one in Devon, Connecticut that bans you from town meetings if you have a noisy case of the hiccups. While that one is more unique, usually city councils create ordinances for local zoning and conduct. Next are regulations, otherwise called quasi-legislation or bureaucratic laws. These come from executive agencies like the FAA and the EPA. When agencies propose new regulations, they have to follow a series of steps as outlined by the Administrative Procedure Act, which includes an opportunity for public comments. If you look on regulations.gov, you can view all sorts of agencies' actions and different comments people and organizations have made. Further up on the ladder are actual statutes passed by legislatures, state or federal. When you think about laws, you're typically thinking about this rung. However, if you skip straight to laws and statutes when conducting legal research, you could have missed important information found within local ordinances or agency regulations. Also, don't forget to check both state and federal levels for laws. Lastly, the highest authority on laws, with the final say on their interpretation, is the judiciary. The courts may not necessarily make new laws, but their decisions ultimately decide how laws are enacted. Input from the courts undeniably shapes how law works, state and federal alike. So if you ever find yourself in the position where you need to conduct legal research, make sure you check all rungs of the ladder: ordinances, regulations, statutes, and the courts. I hope you found this information helpful, and thank you very much for watching as always.